Hello guys, good morning, it's me again, Ryan, and I'm back actually with a small green day recap. So small, but I'll take it. The thing is, I had two stop outs on BAC. It actually held my level here, 29.71. So the first thing I did was short. It's a gap down stock, so short below VWAP, short below this opening price, 30.09. Original plan was to short 30. This 30 area here, that was my original plan, but it sells off heavy on first minute, which is about 1.3 million. That was a good one, but it squeezed a bit in the first three candles. So I was kind of like, I was not like in proper mindset. I did not hold my my first short, because I thought it's gonna squeeze, right? So my initial short was just a small size. I think I was shorting it with 30 cents because I'm not really sure if it's really gonna move. So I gave up around 9 cents. So that's not a bad loss. And I chased it here for a long. I thought it's really gonna squeeze because it's above VWAP, it's above opening price, and I thought it's gonna squeeze this one here all through 30.26, and then eventually I stopped out and then flip it to short. I went back to my original plan, which is shorting 30, right? So after stopping out here, I shorted it twice, risking 10 cents. And this one, eventually I made all my losses back, and it stopped me out at break even, and I took it long here, stopped out, gave back a bit. Again, I did not take all the profit here because I thought it's really gonna continue to go up to VWAP and then go to opening price. So it's just more of a really choppy day, even for SPY. If you look at SPY, it was choppy at first. Oh, is this SPY? Oh, there. I was like, what? So it's choppy here, right? And then eventually went back. So, yeah, it's a little hard to trade this heavy stocks because the float of this one is 8 billion. So you need a lot of volume to move this stock because it's 8 billion float. Yeah, so it's down 3%. It didn't even move that much today. It's really in my watch list. There's really nothing today. Like all the RVOLs were just too low. Everything was just slim. That's why on my first trade there I was being careful. Yeah, so nothing else to say. Small green day. Let's watch. But before everything else, you know what to do. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and follow me in my social media accounts. So there, let's watch BAC. So there you go. It's right at 30 area on my short level, but it's still within the first minute. I don't want to short it. There's volume there, so that's a really good sign of a short volume and low VWAP, red candle, gap down. Opening price is at 30.09, so that's where I want to kind of risk it. So kind of like 10 cents, but I didn't risk a lot on this one because I was kind of hesitant. So I took a short and I stopped out because I thought it's going to squeeze. And look what I did, and I chased it. And then I saw it that's going back, and then I stopped out even before my stop because I said that's a wrong move. So I shorted really heavy there, as you can see. So I added twice, right? Let's go back. After stopping out, like I went back to my original plan to short 30. So I shorted 30 area, shorted again. So twice I'm risking 10 cents in this one. So average is 29.98 at this point. Let's go here so we can closely look. So I took profit. So actually that's a 1.5 R now. I haven't taken a lot. Come on, let's move. Waiting for 29.71. Okay, so that's a 2-to-1 move now. Almost a 2-to-1 move. Man, I did not take all of it there. I'm still holding a few because I thought it's gonna go to 71. I held my shares. I should have gotten all out in there. But yeah, I'm back in green with a small profit. Not the profit I wanted. Like if I didn't get stopped in here and then I it could have been a really nice trade, but you know, we have to respect our stop, so I stopped out. It's stressing me out when you know these things happen. I feel like even a small green day, I feel like it's a loss if I didn't reach my goal. But I have to keep practicing to understand myself and learn how to accept this kind of situations. So there you go. Now it's back to where I wanted to be. I really want to hold 71, but you know, I stop out. I have to respect my stop, man. If not, this can probably go back and then eat up whatever I made. So I took it long there, risking 71. So this was so not a big loss because wasn't trading big size in there. I thought it's just gonna double bottom, but SPY was still dumping at this point. So I said, okay, maybe I'll try again. If it tests the 71, okay. There you go. I need 20 cents on this. I'll be risking just low of day just in case. If I stop out here, I was thinking like, okay, maybe I'll just end the day. Come on. See, I'm not even doing market orders. I'm just, you know, like waiting for myself to get filled. Okay, it's holding this. So I took profit at 10 cents, 25 cents, 25%, because I have a feeling it's going to break down. But in SPY, it's making an ABCD pattern in SPY. So this can probably shoot up to 29.93 or a VWAP. So I kind of need 94 or 30 area. That's actually what I wanted to make money on this one. So it's struggling. SPY is actually struggling. Let's look. I send an order there, telling myself that's where I want to take profit. If not, get out at break even at 74. Okay. So if you look at SPY, just one sec. Okay, never mind. So I did not take profit yet. Because let's look at SPY. So as you can see here, SPY is kind of making, like I said earlier, ABCD pattern, right? ABCD, and eventually it's probably gonna test this VWAP and 61. So that's why I said, okay, it's probably gonna go. Possibly it's gonna break VWAP and go to 95. So I didn't get filled there. There you go. I only took half in there. That's the thing. I should have taken everything to make more, right? But I did not. But eventually it touched my target, but I did not take all my shares there. And I think this is where I stopped out. And I had to leave my desk. 10 o'clock New York time. So yeah, that's why it was a tough day. Did not make a lot here because I was still holding shares. I was just taking not like I wanted 30.10 basically, or 30.09, and then stopped me out. And then yeah, I left my desk at this point and let it just record. I just let it recording. Yeah, let's fast forward where it happened here when I left. Look at that level. It did held the level I wanted. Yeah. Fast forward. Let's see what happened. Okay, yeah. Could have been nice. Trust the levels, man. Trust the levels. But, you know, like I started with a really bad trade, so it's kind of hard mentally. Yeah, so small green day. Commissions, just giving everything to commission. So yeah, let's stop the recording and get nothing else to say. It was just ranging, man, seriously. It range about 50 cents, exactly 50 cents. 3017, 2967. So that's exactly 50 cents. You can actually short it here, but no, I don't want to trade anymore because I don't want to end up red because I have small green day today. Yeah, thank you for watching. I'm sorry about that. It's not really a big mover like what I used to do every day. But yeah, hope you guys learned something. Bye.